Hey, I'm Nicole with DoMyOwn.com. Today we're talking about a simple and effective tool for controlling rodents and other pests in and around your home, Glueboards. These non-toxic sticky traps are easy to use and work well for monitoring and capturing rodents, insects, and more. Let's walk through what they are, how they work, and how to use them safely. Glueboards, they're also called glue traps or sticky traps. They're flat pieces of cardboard or plastic coated with a strong adhesive surface. When pests walk across the board, they become stuck and they can't escape. Glueboards are ideal for catching rodents like mice and rats, monitoring what pests you have, and trapping insects, spiders, and sometimes even snakes. These are a great effective way to catch crawling insects and great monitoring tools as well, especially if you're not sure what type of insect you're dealing with. Glueboards vary in size. You should use smaller glueboards for mice and insects. We also have larger glueboards for larger rodents and snakes. If you're not sure what type of pests you have, we recommend the larger size that will also catch smaller pests too. Glueboards can be laid flat or folded, often into a tunnel or a box shape. Folding them is great because sometimes rodents and snakes prefer the tunneling effect for hiding or tracking prey. It also keeps dust and debris off exposed glue, and it keeps the insects hidden. If you're going to lay them flat, you want to expose the glue by peeling off the top sticker. If you choose one that folds, follow the printed instructions on the board for proper assembly of the folded traps. Now let's talk about where to place them. You want to place the glueboards against baseboards, inside corners, or near entry points where you've seen activity. Rodents tend to follow walls and edges, so placing it flush against the wall and behind doors and in tight hiding spots where they travel helps ensure they cross naturally. Check your glueboards daily. If you catch something, dispose of the board in a sealed bag and throw it in the trash. Always wear gloves when handling boards that have pests on them, as rodents can carry diseases. Make sure to place the glueboards where children and pets cannot access them. The glue is extremely sticky, and while it is non-toxic, it can unintentionally trap curious little hands and paws. If the adhesive accidentally gets on your skin, simple household oils like vegetable or mineral oil will help remove it. When you're finished, they're easily discarded for quick and easy cleanup. Use glueboards as part of a complete pest control strategy. Combine them with good sanitation, sealing up entry points, and other traps and insecticides if needed. They're a great tool for monitoring, detection, and initial control of pest activity in your home. Ready to DIY like a pro? DoMyOwn has all the pest control and lawn care products, customer service, and resources that you need. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.